starts with V for you and me. V is for van, driving on the road. It carries goods, light or load. V is for violin, playing a sweet tune. Music makes us happy soon. V is for volcano, erupting high. Smoke and lava reach the sky. V is for vegetables, healthy and bright. Carrots, broccoli, all delight. V is for vest, keeping us warm. Wear it outside in any storm. V is for vase, holding flowers, brightening rooms with colors. V is for vampire, spooky but fun, flying at night under the moon. V is for Viking, strong and brave, sailing the seas over each wave. V is for volleyball, bouncing around, playing with friends on the ground. V is for village, houses near and far. People live, work and play, oh star. V is for velvet, soft to touch. Feel it gently, we love it much. V is for vulture, flying so high, looking down from the sky. V is for vehicle, moving fast. Cars and bikes that always last. Learning letters is fun, you see.